another video. Today we are playing Will You Press the Button, where this is a way different video. I'm not doing Roblox. This is a Google game. You can go play yourself. I might put a link in the description if I'm not lazy. I'm posting this video. It's posted by the time you're seeing this video. Will you press the button? So how you play Will You Press the Button? It will ask you a question like, never have the urge to poo, which means you have to wear a diaper, but get $5 billion. Like, it's gonna ask you questions like that. So let's just begin. So let's see. WWII starts, but you become the total ruler of whatever country you live in. I'm moving, so I will not, because I would just become the... Yeah. It was like, if you were to move... Bro, I have to close these ads? No, it's gonna take me here. It sent me back, and then not interested in this ad. Ad choices. You know what, guys, ignore this ad. Next. Bro, why so many advertisements? Guys, do you think you can ignore these? It's annoying to see it. Will you press the button? You'll get to know what was the letter that Jim gave to Pam in the last couple episodes of The Office, but you'll probably cry for about an hour and feel like a baby. Who cares? What? More people would rather not know what it was? But okay. Next. I'm ready. Come up, advertisements. I'll just close advertisements that are inappropriate. Will you press the button? You become the world's smartest person in one subject. Can be switched once a year, but you can't do any normal thing. Cook, clothe yourself, eat, to be fed, and so on. I will not press the button. Yeah, that's just annoying. That's just annoying. It would be annoying to not be able to clothe yourself. This is so high quality. Look how high quality that is. Will you press the button? You will have complete control over any animal of your choosing, but you will take the appearance of that animal. You will take on the appearance of that animal. Like an animal. What? You would want to look like an animal when you control an animal? You can do whatever you want, but you will be alone on a deserted earth. If I could do whatever I want, I don't want to be alone. I have family, friends. Because I have family, friends, movie, food. Like, I don't know how to cook. You think I know how to cook? You'll become the most lyrical, gifted rapper alive, but you can never listen to rock again. I don't even listen to rock, so I'll click that. What? Most people? Okay. I can see how some people like rock music. Will you press the button? I think they meant to say B, but it says Guy. Guy, the first person to talk to an extra terrestrial, gifted with gold and mass amounts of intelligence as their sign of peace, but time skips 5 years and it feels like 10 minutes for you. Okay. Who cares? No, it's too inappropriate ads. No, I keep forgetting that you can have lucid dream whenever you want, but your alarm clock is always set to 7 a.m. and there's nothing you can do about it. Who cares? I'm not gonna do it. I don't even know what a lucid dream is. I'm just trying to get this ad banned so I don't have to see it anymore in any of my videos. Gaming. You'll become Keith Richards, but you are 69 years old. But that's fine because you're also probably immortal. I will press the button then. If I'm immortal, then I will press the button. You will gain the ability to fly, but you will be unable to have or adopt children. I don't want children. Who cares about children? Live in your dream place, but no one can come in. No, I want my family and friends. You can have everything you want, whenever you want it, and how much you want it, but you have to watch anime you have to watch anime as long as you live. That grammar is bad, but okay. I can watch anime because I can just watch YouTube at the same time. You get to talk to animal. Wait. I can't even close the ad. You get to talk to animals, but you can never talk to humans ever again. I will not. I need to communicate with my family and friends. Wait. Is would you rather a thing? I swear, if it's just like asking me questions. Now I want because I found the thing. Now they got rid of it. Anyways, you can read people's minds, but you can't read anything else. I would fail in school. You can create something extraordinary to science, but it can be used to kill millions, perhaps even ruin the planet forever. No. Why would I want to murder people? You can have... Bro, why this ad? Here. Yay! We get to delete that ad permanently. You can have threesome with another 2 people. You can choose one of them. But there's one person that... The other one is the person you hate the most. Sure. Stats. What are my stats? Whoa, wait, what are... Mean swipe. Mean swipe. Mean swipe. Dun, 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 dun. Oh wait, that's log in. Swipe. Email. My email is subscribe to Monkey Plays. My password is actually I'll just make it 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. I quit. No, that's the wrong one. 29 seconds left. When that ends, while we wait for that to finish, that's, no. That's YouTube Analytics. You know what? I can go to, I forgot to, it's out? The video's out? No, it's not. Can I watch the video? Yeah, I can't watch the video. It's just on my profile. Please watch these other videos. Another video. Today I'm trolling. This is the middle of the video. Yep, we're just gonna like, is it done? I think it's out. Let me go to refresh the page. I think the video's out. Please say it's out. Please be out. I think it's out. It's out! Let's go! The video's out. And it's only... Here are the links if you haven't watched the video. Spoiler alert, spoiler alert, spoiler alert, spoiler alert. Tubers 93. Wait a minute. Dennis. Wait, look. 1 day ago. Dennis. They basically have the same thumbnails. Except his was, Dennis is newer. Did Dennis copy his thumbnail? I'm not trying to start anything, but like those are basically the same thumbnails. I will press the button for